My name is Phil, and I'm 5 years old, and I want to know, why is he Academy Award called Oscar?
Hello, I'm Rick Robertson. I'm here at the Academy of Motion Picture Arts and Sciences. One of our most famous activities is every year we give out Oscars for outstanding achievements in filmmaking. And when we first started giving that award out, it wasn't called the Oscar. It was called the Academy Award or the Academy Award of Merit. Sometime about in the late 30s, the press began to refer to it as Oscar. And the story goes that an Academy employee showed up for work one day, and she saw an Oscar sitting on a table, and she said, "Why, that looks like my Uncle Oscar." Just so happens that a reporter was standing nearby. He wrote it down, and the legend lives on. There's another story that Bette Davis, the multiple Oscar-winning actress, when she received an Oscar, looked at it and referred to it as resembling an ex-husband of hers or something. Both of those stories have no real evidence or documentation, so we don't really know how Oscar got his name, but it's a good name, and we call him that.